Namaskar. Today we will discuss what we mean by equity shares. We know that there are two types of shares. The shares can be divided into two types. First, equity shares. Second, preference shares. Today we will talk specifically about what we mean by equity shares. The word equity, it represents equal or common shares of the company. So when we say the word equity shares, it represents the ordinary shares of the company. Ordinary shares means which can be issued without any type of preferential rights. Normally in a company, the number of equity shares are very high. And most of the time, in usual cases, company issues equity shares. So when we make a share trading through online, the shares that we purchase or sell, that all are mainly equity shares. And most importantly, equity shareholders are considered the true owners of the company because they participate profits and losses of the company equally. They are not like the preference shareholders. They do not have any preferential rights in the business. When the dividends are distributed, the equity shareholders gets dividend only after distributing dividend over the preference shareholders. So equity shareholders are called true owners of the company, and they take a very major position in the management of the company. They have voting rights. They form a composition of the board of directors of the company. And they are most important part of the company. Why? Because they participate in the management. So they are entitled to take the decision of the business. So from the equity shareholders, the board of directors forms in the company who are authorized to take decisions regarding any matter of the company. So equity shares, they do not carry any preferential rights, just like the preference shareholders. They are called common shares, they are called ordinary shares, but they are also called the true owners. And they carry voting rights as well as they take a whole position, bold position in the management of the company. That is all about the concept behind equity shares. Hope you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, then like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.